Hello, and welcome to the video for tip number 3 out of our 5 top things to do for success in math this semester. Tip number 3, utilize all the resources we have under MCC Math Help. You can find tutoring, both in-person and virtual tutoring. There's also ways to meet with your instructor, that's me, during office hours. There's also workshops you can attend. There's also online resources you can use to brush up on a particular math skill. You can meet with an advisor. You can take a placement test to figure out what math class is right for you. There's so many things that you have access to. Let's take a look. When you are in our Canvas course, in the left-hand navigation menu, you'll see a link for MCC Math Help. That's kind of like your one-stop shop for anything you need that is a resource to help you be successful in your math class. So let's take a look at what that course looks like. Now, you will be asked to enroll in the course, but you should only be asked to do that once. Now, don't worry, you're not adding another course to your schedule. It's just another Canvas shell that will show up in your dashboard so you have easy access to all these amazing resources. Because in the math department, we truly do care about your success. We want you to have everything you need to be successful. So I'm going to focus on a couple of these tiles, and then more of the tiles we'll talk about later in class. But I first want to focus on MCC Math Tutoring. This is where you can find out more information about free tutoring that you can get on campus or you can get virtually. Both services are delivered by our professional and very capable, wonderful MCC math tutors. So anytime you need help with an assignment, or you're studying for an exam, or you want to go over a graded exam, or you just need to brush up on a certain skill, come see one of our math tutors. If you're on campus, you can just walk over to the tutoring center. Here are the locations and the hours. No appointment is necessary. Just drop in and they're happy to help you. If you're not on campus, but you still need tutoring, guess what? We have an option for you as well. We have a virtual math foundation center where those same MCC tutors that are sitting in the tutoring center, they are also virtually on their computer. So even if you're at home or you're at work or you're in the library, as long as you have access to the internet, you can connect with an MCC math tutor. Now, right now, when I just clicked on that link, you'll notice there's not many options of people available. It's because the fall semester hasn't started yet as I'm making this video. But as soon as the first week of classes start, you will see many more little tiles here with the tutor's name and the tutor's face. And their little icon will be green and it'll say online. And then you'll literally just click on their icon and their webcam will open up. As your webcam will open up, you'll each be able to see each other, hear each other, and you'll be able to see the tutor's online whiteboard tools so they can help you solve a certain problem. It's a really great way to connect, and then you never have to feel like you're missing out on resources just because you have to leave campus. So that's one of the most amazing features we have in the MCC Math Help page. Let's go back and let's see what else there is available on that main page. We also offer BrainFuse. That's another option you have for free online tutoring. And this one is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The only difference is that the people that work at BrainFuse, they aren't actual MCC math tutors. So they're not also working on our Mesa campus. They're contracted out through a different service, but it's 24/7. So they might be all over the country, but they're still highly trained, professional math tutors that are able to help you and that are able to help you work through whatever homework assignment or whatever exam question you might have a question on. They're there to help you. So I just wanted to let you know you have that available as well. Here are some of the other items. Math boot camps, those will be more important when the winter session is coming up or the summer session is coming up and you want to prep for your next course. Math boost workshops, these are free workshops that focus on one particular math skill. Like, let's say you know that you just need a brush up on factoring trinomials, or you just need a little bit of help on how to add and subtract fractions. You would click on the link here for the Math Boost workshops. Right now it says denied, unfortunately, because the schedule for the first 2 weeks isn't published yet. But once you click on that schedule, every 2 weeks we have a new series of workshops on all different topics to support students in all math classes. So if you're in Math 126, you might need some help with solving linear equations. If you're in Math 156, like I said, factoring is always a topic that students could constantly use a refresher on. And they're 50-minute workshops. They're offered in person and virtually. You just check in for 50 minutes. You get a quick brush up on that skill or a boost on that particular skill to help you be successful in your math class. We have these preparation and review courses. So that's kind of like a one-stop shop. If you have several topics you want to review, it's to prep for an upcoming course or to review prerequisite skills. So you can see all the different course offerings, and then there's practice problems that you can do to help you get ready for that next course or to get ready and strengthen your skills for the course that you're already in. You don't need a separate login code. You don't need any additional information. All you have to do is just click on the level of math you're interested in, and you'll be taken to that free practice course. It's a great way to review and build your foundations. Student success workshops, those are available all semester to help you with all your college classes. And you can see there's some other information down here. As additional information, I do want to show you one more place you could go to review your math topics. And our math department webpage, we have more ways for you to review. So again, like I said, maybe your teacher tells you, hey, you could really use a little bit more practice on the rules of integer exponents. So you could come down here and open up the exponents, open up the rules of integer exponents, and look at all the resources that are available. There's a lesson, there's 2 lesson pages, there's a video you could watch, there are online practice problems you could do repetitively. You can do the repetition as many times as you want to practice them. There's even a printable worksheet you could either print or you could open as a PDF on your iPad and complete them as part of the I Belong program. But there's just so many resources available to you. And again, all you have to do when you are in our MCC Math 156 or Math 126 course, whatever math course you're in, look over here in the left-hand navigation menu, and you have access to all the helpful resources that you need. Just one more reminder, if you ever want to connect with me for my virtual office hours, which are Fridays from 9 to 11 a.m., the link is right here as well. My office hours are also on the syllabus. You can click here or go to instructor contact information.